Hello students, let's continue your first chapter in history. Students, your next topic is religion of the Indus Valley people. A common figurine discovered is that of a female deity. Deity means goddess, somewhat similar to Shakti or mother goddess. She was regarded as the source of all power and creation. Similarly, a seated figure of male god carved on a small stone seal of Pashupati, you can see over here. It was also found there. It is a three-faced god resembling Shiva or Pashupati of later Hinduism. So the people of the Indus Valley seem to have worshipped Shakti and Shiva. The people, trees, stones and animals were also worshipped. They believed in life after death. So they buried in belongings of the dead like food, utensils, ornaments, mirror set, etc. along with the dead body, as they thought that the body might need those things for next life. And the discovery of amulets means a thread or taviz like a pendant, suggests that they believed in magic and charms to keep the evil spirits away. Also began the worship of fire also. Your next topic is art of writing. The Indus Valley people use the pictographic script for writing purposes. Pictographic means a script written in the form of pictures, like this type of script. But their script is still a mystery for scholars and has not been read so far. Our next topic is contribution of the Indus Valley civilization. Indus Valley civilization gave to the world the first urban civilization like town planning, architecture, sanitary, engineering, etc. Producing pottery and wheel cart and domestication of animals for men's use. End of the Indus Valley civilization. Nothing certain can be said about the reason of the sudden end. It is all a guesswork. Maybe it happened, maybe, but nobody can tell exactly what happened that time. Maybe invasion by the conquering tribes like Aryans could have sacked Mohenjo-daro, destroying its civilization, or either a natural calamity like a flood of the river Indus or its gradual drifting away from the cities could have made the valley unfertile. Of the dead. During the excavation of Mohenjo-daro, skeletons of men, women and children were uncovered from the topmost layer of the city. The bones bear sword or X marks. It seems that the people met with a violent death and tell the story of the end of the city. Maybe it was done by Aryans. Indus Valley civilization was flourished between 2600 to 1900 BC. BC means before Christ. There must be a question in your mind that why have we written 2600 to 1900 BC? We could write 1900 to 2600 also. Listen students, BC, while studying about BC, we always write the period in decreasing order. 26 to 1900, and after this, next chapter also, you will see this pattern also. Some students have written people's dwelling houses. When they had to define it, the dwelling house means residential house where people used to live. Some new words are there in this chapter. First one is terracotta. Terracotta is a hard brownish red fired clay that is used for architectural ornaments, pottery, and as a material for sculpture. Whiskers means a long projected hair. You can say mustache, like this, as an animal also, like cat, lion, you can see here. This we call whiskers. Next one is dicing, a game in which the dice is thrown. A dice is a small cube or wood or bone marked with 1 to 6. Your next word is pictographic. Pictographic, a script written in the form of pictures. After watching this video, you should read this recapitulation of each chapter. This is the summary of the chapter and you must read. Okay? Students, you have to fill in the blanks of this chapter. Exercise C, D and E. You have to do it in book only. Okay? You have to do, while doing true or false, you will write. First is the Harappan civilization was rural. It was incorrect. So you have to write here false. After writing false, cut it and write down the correct answer. The Harappan civilization was urban. Okay? All these exercises in book, you have to send me the screenshot of these exercises along with the other homework. Suppose the third video when I have continued the same chapter. Please, after watching this video, read the complete chapter. Then only you will be able to give answer of each question. That's all for the day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.